Hello and welcome back at Rescoli by Carlo. Today we're going to show you a little tip on how to stain the wood. Some time ago we showed this piece of furniture on our Facebook page and there was quite an interest on how our surface has been stained. It's very simple, but you need to know how. So basically what we're going to do right now is show you how to stain the wood on your furniture. To stain your wood, basically you need to have a clean surface. So what does that mean? Basically, if you have painted furniture or varnished furniture, you have to remove all of it and have basically bare wood. So you need to sand really thoroughly. And after that, you need to clean the wood. Now, these are the things you would need for this exercise. Once you have a clean surface, you need a wet cloth, basically going on the wood so that it is a little bit damp. And then we go to the color chosen. For this exercise, we're using the same color as the piece we've shown at the beginning, which is Hornblower from the Frenchic furniture paint. We just go with the paint. Like this. And afterwards, we simply need to remove the excess, which means with the same damp cloth, we just go on the same, using the same direction to stain, to remove the excess paint. The more we go with the cloth, the less paint stays. And just like that, we have already our stained wood. What's the next step? Basically, it's the sealing part. And to seal the paint on the wood, we simply use either the finishing coat or use the wax. So if you want a darker feel of the wood, then I would suggest that you use our favorite product, which is the Frenchic browning wax. Thank you.